Hey guys, today from my kitchen I'm gonna show you how we can prepare cabbage and carrots because it's so easy to be prepared at home. So first we're going to start with the ingredients. We need green chili, garlic, Himalaya salt, and we need sugar, we need vinegar, we need water, we need cabbage, clean and chopped cabbage, and also we need clean and chopped carrots. Okay, so here we go. All the ingredients are listed down in the description box. So first we're going to start adding 1 cup of vinegar. I'm using white vinegar in a big plastic jar. You can use glass jar, but I prefer plastic jar. So I added 1 cup of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of Himalaya salt, rock salt. Rock salt would be great for pickles. Also you can use normal salt, so you need like 2 tablespoons as well. So just add a little bit of water, clean water, and mix them very good. Now I'm going to start adding 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. That will add delicious taste. So also I'm going to add green chili, 2 to 3, and this is optional. And I'm going to start adding the cabbage, another layer of carrots. Okay, so chop them like so, cabbage and carrots, and in between these layers you can add garlic and chili. Okay, carry on, fill in the jar and then add water, fill it with water, and then close it and shake it well. And you have to leave it up to 2 weeks. Okay, 2 weeks on the kitchen in a clean place. Okay, that's great. It's so easy to be prepared. Just leave it in the kitchen, not under the sun, and after 2 weeks the cabbage will be ready. So that's how we make our pickles at home, and also you can use this method with any kind of vegetables.